Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I mean, we do have some pretty spiky candles right here, but I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3. I still think a wave 3 should go to the 161.8 before you make a big wave 4 and another push up for a big wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely do have a little bit of a double top right here, but I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this was a wave C and it actually does end up continuing back up, especially because I think this is a wave 1, I think this is a wave 2, and I think we're just in subdivisions of a wave 3. Wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So heading down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily, I've still been seeing this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, which is why I think it may be a wave A still. Even though this move up is pretty impulsive, it could actually be a double zigzag wave B, and we could potentially already be in a wave C. So if we see either an engulfing move to the upside or preferably a nice Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure, which you would think that a wave C would make a lower low, which it definitely could. But it doesn't have to. A wave C definitely can make a higher high of the wave A. But either way, whether you see this picture or whether you see this picture right here, I think it would be a really good long opportunity for the continuation of this wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we do have a pretty, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look. Kind of seems to me like this could be like a 1, 2, 3 pattern, and then maybe it will continue down from there. Maybe this is actually a wave 4, and this is going to go down for a wave 5. And this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So anyways, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I was thinking originally that this right here was the end of a correction, but it kind of looks like this move down is pretty corrective compared to the move up. And we never bounced off a Fibonacci retracement level, so it does kind of seem pretty likely that it will make a push up, maybe to the 38% or even higher. So if you do see like a nice little break of structure to the upside, then that probably is the end of a correction. Potentially a wave A, a wave B, and then up for a wave C. I guess it definitely could be a wave 1 and a wave 2, and then go up for wave 3 also, especially if this right here is like a hidden wave 4 and like a truncheon wave 5 for the wave C, and that this is actually a break of structure and the end of a trend on the higher time frames. Either way, the trend is down on the higher time frames when you're talking about like the daily and 4 hour, but the major trend is definitely up on the weekly and monthly, and when the trend is up on those very high time frames, it may very likely just continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. So definitely keep an eye out for more long opportunities. It may even surprise you. It might not even be a wave C. It could turn into a big old wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program at my website, linked down or at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.